I will, through this video, show how to create break line, which is basically adding a line shift. So here, you can see this on 4 lines like so. But when I save it and open up a new tab, as I have here, and refresh, it goes all the way out to the edge of where I have the content and automatically goes to line 2. If I want better control of this, I need to add, for instance, BR. It's one HTML formatting tag that I can use. So if I add, for instance, BR here, it will become a part of the title. We see the title up here and we see the title over here. When I save this now and go to the front end, refresh, we see the BR here. This is because this is how it works in Gutenberg in the visual editor. If you're using the classic editor or the old editor, you can do so in a title line as you want. But here, one method is then to go to the 3 dots up in the corner here, options, and go to code editor. I will make it this area bigger so I see more of it. I will add in a BR here and exit. So after the title, I now have BR. Exit code editor, and we see there it's been moved 1 step down. So we'll check it out. I will go to front end and refresh. So that means after title, and should be on the next line. So and is then on the next line because I added in the BR tag for this title. So, so this is then one method, option 3 dots, and then code editor going in here to modify things. Another method is to go to the all post screen or all pages screen and do a quick edit. So for instance, if I go somewhere showing a method, after method, add in a BR, break line, is actually break row, and do a preview, and we see it's moved 1 step down again after title, and the one I added was just after method. So that means I can add as many as I want to control how many lines the title is being used on. So if I want the title on 3 lines, I can have it as this, or I can modify it as I want. So I can also adjust the size here of this, and just going to see how it looks like in different kind of screen resolutions. And this is the side as I just defined it in. So here under w3schools.com, I searched online for the BR tag. Here is also some information about it, how it can be used, for instance. And one more thing we can do also in the title is, for instance, add text formatting. So here I can, for instance, add strong. And a lot of these, one has a beginning and an end. So B, for instance, this is bold text. It has the ending of B for bold text. And same with strong, as a beginning strong and strong. The break row, BR, automatically jumps to next line. It does not have an ending with it. So there is just a beginning. There's no ending of the BR. So because most of these then have I, for instance, I, and then the /I here. EM and /EM, just to define the area of what is being impacted by the adjustment. So I will go into this title. So again, I can do this through the code editor here and add in, for instance, strong, and I need to add in the / because I'm going to define style as having strong text. Save draft, go to the front end and refresh. And now we see that style is just like bold. It is stronger than the text around it. So another thing I want to do as well is, this was kind of fun, it was doing mark. And then I will go into edit post. This time I will then go into the all post screen. I'm not really fully sure if it also impacts pages. And that is what I'm going to do right now. I am just going to do a quick edit. And I'm going to test this and see if it works on this page, which is live on this site. So I will have then the word drift, which is Norwegian for this is maintenance of a WordPress website. One of the things I do. I will update and we will see if that works on this page. No, it did not work on page. So that means it seems like it works on posts and not on pages. So I will go back to the post then. And I will go and edit this here. I will add in then the mark here after n and control line breaks. So I will mark that, put in the slash and do update, and let's see. So this is then, I add a few BR break row tags. I added tag for strong, which is similar to bold, and then for mark for this. So this is actually an interesting way how to control the title of a post.